Right now, somewhere in Lagos, there's a business owner that just got 47 new leads from a Facebook ad she probably made last night. And you know the funny thing? She did not reply to a single one of them. And not because she did not want to. She was probably busy, she was probably overworked, or she slept off. But this is what really happened. She had no system. And probably tomorrow, those 47 new leads or 47 new clients have probably moved on. Now, what if she had something that could work for her while she was sleeping? Something that could think on its own and reply these messages, engage these clients, and book these leads. This is what an AI agent does. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what it is, why it is important for you to learn it as a skill right now. My name is Jeremiah. Welcome to the RIL AI Agent Crash Course, brought to you by Resonance Innovations Lab. And this is the first video, so there is no code or any tech experience required. So if you've ever heard of the words AI agents and you're confused, you don't know where to start from, this video is built exactly for you. So let's get into it. Over the last 2 years, you've been hearing so many things about AI, so many platforms like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT. People are using these tools to create crazy videos, write documents, emails, our work everywhere, and these are real things. But there's a next level that people in Nigeria haven't tapped into yet. See, those tools, they are brilliant, but they are not reactive. You ask a question and they answer. You ask a question and they answer again. But once you close the tab, they stop working. Now, an AI agent is different. It doesn't wait for you to ask questions. It already knows what it's meant to do. It plans ahead. It schedules tasks and it takes action. It literally completes any task by itself without you having to babysit it during the process. 3 things: perceive, decide, and act. Perceive. When I say perceive information, I mean it can analyze all the information around it. I'm talking about emails to WhatsApp messages to even singling out a number on a spreadsheet. The agent can see and read all of this. Decide. Decide means it can read that email and take the next action. It analyzes and knows the next step to take, whether to delete the email, reform it, or just rewrite a new one from scratch. Act. So when it's done rewriting or done reforming the email, it can decide to send the email. It can also decide to delete the email if it's no longer needed. It can write blog posts for you. It can post on your social media. It does all of this, and it does it in the real world. The combination of perceive, decide, and act is what makes it different from a normal chatbot. Let me make this very real for you. Now, imagine you run a catering business in Port Harcourt. You sent out Facebook ads and people are rolling in, people are filling your form. Without an AI agent, that message probably sits in your inbox. You probably reply it in the evening or the next day, but by then, that client has met someone else. But with an AI agent, immediately that message enters your inbox. The AI agent will analyze the person. If the person wanted the catering services to be 2 weeks for their wedding, it will do everything from booking the consultation to getting the prices to categorizing them as serious clients or clients that are about to close the deal. Think of your AI agent as your second brain. AI agent has analyzed everything about your business, from your menu to the days you guys open, to the days you guys close, to your previous clients, to your voice brand, to every single thing. Your identity of your business is your AI agents. You can probably be outside buying tomatoes for the food that you want to cook on that catering day. And by that time, your AI agent has been keeping the clients warm for you. So when you come, you just close the deal and the client is yours. Now you might be wondering, how does an AI agent really do that? Now think of an AI agent as a box of tools. When you have bad plumbing, you use different tools. You can use a screwdriver, you can use a plunger. Now think of an AI agent like that. An AI agent is a component that has sets of tools in them. Or think of a monkey with so many hands. Now, I use one hand to write emails. I use the second hand to send those emails. I use the third hand to check my spreadsheet of lists of people I need to send emails to, and so on and so forth. So it has so many tools. So there are some AI agents that you can use for YouTube, you can use for social media management, you can use for making thumbnails, you can use for doing research, you can use for so many things. The AI agent selects the tools depending on the tasks required. So if you needed to send an email to somebody, or if you needed to organize a spreadsheet, it will search its toolbox for the right tools for that particular purpose. Last thing before we wrap up, to make sure you know the difference between an AI chatbot and an AI agent. An AI chatbot is reactive. So you have to ask it questions before it can give you results. You ask it again and it gives you results. But once you close your laptop or once you close that tab, the AI chatbot is off. But an AI agent is proactive. You give it a goal, you set the tasks, it creates the plan, it does the tasks, and it delivers to you results. Think of it this way: a chatbot answers questions, but an AI agent brings results. So this is a quick recap. Let's bring everything together. An AI agent is a system that perceives information, makes decisions, and takes action. It's very different from your chatbot. You don't have to ask it anything. It gives you results for the goals you set. It uses real tools to reach the real world, like emails, calendars, databases. For Nigerian businesses and builders, those businesses that will incorporate AI agents in the next 12 months are going to see enormous advantages over normal businesses that are doing everything manually. So this is the first video out of the 10 videos that's going to be on this playlist. In the next video, we're going to talk about how these AI agents actually work, all the mechanics, all the jigs inside the system that makes it move. So if you're a developer, you're a programmer, you're a business owner, you have a friend interested in AI agents, send this video to them, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.